this is how it looks, but it's only in color white. There's no pink. I would have wanted the pink though. It's really cute. So let's unbox this. So first, here on top we have this base. The base is looking like that. And then we have this part and this part. I guess this was supposed to be inside or something. And then we have the mirror part, and it's rotatable, and we have this. Which joins the mirror and the base. So let's put this down. The mirror comes protected in this, I guess, because of dust. Oh my goodness, it's so oh, look at it. Enhances everything. Look at that. And then look at this. All right, so I'm guessing this part, so this part goes in here. Oh, has a clicking sound, and then this other part comes here like that. So the mirror, so you can rotate this mirror. I think it's really cute. Oh my goodness. Now I don't have to use this as much because I'll be having this. Quite a purchase. It's quite a purchase and a very good one. I love it.